Hello, good dear viewers. In our previous lesson, we have talked about decimal numbers. And we have seen that decimal numbers can be classified into two. We have the terminating decimal numbers and we have the non-terminating decimal numbers. And we say that these non-terminating decimal numbers can be classified into two also. We have those that are non-terminating, non-recurring, and we have those that are non-terminating but recurring. Those that are recurring, we say they are rational numbers, but those that are not recurring, we say they are irrational numbers. So we want to talk about this non-terminating recurring decimals. We say they are rational numbers because they can be expressed as numerator over the denominator. And we have seen how to convert them into fractions mentally. But in this tutorial, we are going to introduce algebra to show how to convert them into fractions. Let me start with a very simple example. If you have 0.3333, it means what? This is a non-terminating because you can see we have a lot of these threes. But it is recurring because 3 keeps on repeating itself. So this type of decimal we regard it as what? Non-terminating but a recurring decimal. And it can be expressed as a rational number, as numerator over the denominator. So how can we do that? Let a kind of variable like x, y, z, and so on to be equal to this number. So let x be equal to 0.33. Let me stop here. By placing a dot on top of 3, it means that 3 keeps on repeating. So let me call this one equation number 1. Then subsequently, I would like to multiply this equation by either 10 or 100 or 1000. It doesn't matter, but I have to use 1 and 0. 1 and 0, 0, or 1 and 0, 0, 0. If I multiply x by 10, we are going to obtain 10x. This is equal to whatever you do to one side, you have to do it to the other side. If you multiply this number by 10, that 10 will shift the decimal point forward only once because 10 has 1 0, right? So we have 3.3. But you know, this is non-terminating. We have a lot of these 3s. So let me add 1. It doesn't matter. I can stop here, right? And let me call this equation number 2. If you observe, equation 2 is greater than equation 1 because we have multiplied by 10. So let me say, take away equation 1 from equation 2. So we say equation 2 minus equation 1. So let me start from the left-hand side. 10x minus x will give us what? 9x. Let's move to the other side. If you move to the other side, 3.33 minus 0.33 will just give us 3, right? So this is 3. Divide both sides by 9 because we are looking for x, because we'll let this number that we are looking for to be equal to x. So whatever x is said to be the value of that non-terminating recurring decimal. So if you divide both sides by 9, you have x equal to 3 divided by 9. To the lowest term, because I know 3 can divide 3 and it can also divide 9. 3, 1, 9, 3 times. So x finally equal to 1 divided by 3. And 1 divided by 3 is exactly the same thing as this number. Take your calculator, press 1 divided by 3, you shall obtain this. So this is how to convert non-terminating recurring decimal into fraction. Let me take another example. And the logic is all the same for all non-terminating recurring decimals. Let me take a number like, can I say 1.6666 in that order? Which fraction is equivalent to this number? So let x again be equal to 1.66. Multiply both sides by 100. This time I will multiply by 100. Or should I multiply by 10? 10 is a very simple number. Let me use 10. X times 10 will give us 10x equal to, multiply by 10, it will shift this point forward one time. So we have 16, right? 0.66, because I want to end in just 2 decimals. You understand? So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. I would like to take away equation 1 from equation number 2. To the left, this minus this will give us what? 9x equal to. This minus this will give us 15 exactly. So this is 15. Divide both sides by 9. You have x equal to 15 divided by 9. I know that 3 can go here 5 times. So we have x equal to 5. And 3 can go into 9 3 times. So we have this. Right? 5 divided by 3 is equivalent to 1.66666. It is applicable for all non-terminating recurring decimals. No matter how the number is, you can apply this to find the fraction. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye-bye.